Hey guys, this is Andrew. Welcome to Andrew King's YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make from $200 up to $2,000 a day using my secret formula. Now, this video is not like the other crappy videos where they tell you that you have to take surveys in order to make like 20 up to 30 bucks. This is legit, and you can start with no budget, but if you have the budget, I recommend you take action. Now, this job doesn't require any skills or any experience whatsoever. So don't be afraid. Everyone watching this video can do this really easy. So the basic idea is all we have to do is find a business owner, a new business owner, and then we contact them. We offer them our help. We offer them to build a WordPress site, a professional WordPress site. Now, why would they accept? I'm gonna show you during this video, so make sure you watch this video until the end. So I know most of you don't know how to create a WordPress site or a professional WordPress site, because most of you don't know what HTML coding and all that shit. So I have saved up the trouble for you. All you have to do is go on Fiverr and search professional WordPress site. Now you can choose any one of these sellers. I recommend you choose the ones with the higher rating and the best testimonials. So personally, I recommend you choose the most pricey one because they give the best quality of work. So I will design a professional like this guy. He will design a professional WordPress site for $250. Now, you can charge the business owner like 700, 800, $1,000 for the website, and you can take the spare change, which is like 700, 600, or $500 for making this website. Now you can choose one of these plans. There is up to $1,000, 995 for the premium plan. I recommend you go for the basic plan because most of these people just want a good looking WordPress site. They don't want all these extra features inside unless they ask for it. Don't go for the premium website. So like I said, this doesn't require any investment because the business owner will pay you first. Now, you ask me, where do I find these business owners and how do I get their trust? Really easy, guys. All you have to do is go on Google and search this term, site yelp.com. I'll leave this term in the link down below or in the description. All you have to do is go to description, copy this phrase, then paste it on Google and hit search. Now you can change New York with any state that you want. If you are living outside of the US, you can choose your city's name or whatever you want. All you have to do is type the city that you want to find business owners in and just click on enter. Now all these Yelp sites that are unclaimed, they will pop up right here. All you have to do is open one of them or every one of them as you like. All these are businesses contacts. We're gonna use this website to find these business owners. As you can see, there are many pages here, tons and tons of links or tons and tons of businesses. So most of these businesses are not claimed. So all you have to do is claim these businesses. All you have to do is click on claim this business, and you have to answer some questions. After you claim this business, all you have to do is grab the name of the business owners here, and you can search it on Google. Just search it like this. Then you will find I'm sorry, here we go. Then you will find the contact details. Just go into their website. Most of these businesses don't have websites, but if they do have a website, you can offer to you can always offer another skill or another thing. I'm going to show you in the next videos other things that you can offer or other skills that you can uh, offer to these businesses. Now, this is their website. You can find their contact details. All you have to do is contact them. You can search here. There are tons and tons of businesses. All you have to do is claim these businesses one by one, and then when you contact them, you tell them that you have claimed their Yelp listing as a favor, and that will make them trust you even more, and they'll be happy to do business with you. Like this one has their own number. Here we go. This is their number. All you have to do is call them, claim their business first, then call them, or you can visit their website and email them. All you have to do is call them or email them, contact them in any sort of way, and tell them that you have claimed their business and that you don't want any charges for this, because it's really easy. All you have to do is click on claim this business and then answer a few questions, and after it is claimed, you go tell them, then you offer uh, your skill, which is designing a professional WordPress site. Now, most of them, or like 50%, will say no, but the other 50% will say yes, because you claimed their listing for free. You can do other stuff for free, but not to make the, because this video is already too long. I'm gonna explain this in the next videos, and I I would like to thank you for watching until this minute. I'm sorry for my bad English. I try my best to explain everything to you guys, and I hope you get the idea and start implementing and start showing some results, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.